Welcome to M3 Studios, the largest studios in South Florida. This is a large place. This is a multiplex of TV, film, and music. And here we have a couple of exciting things that are happening today. We have a couple of artists that are here. We have Lil Wayne that's here today. We're shooting an actual commercial right over here on this stage. I think we have Karol G that's also here. We have Daddy Yankee that's also filming a music video as well. But why in the world are we here? What's going on here? What's happening? Well, right behind me, there's a mural about maybe 10 feet by 10 feet. And this mural has the logo of M3 Studios. And we didn't only manufacture it, but we also installed it for them. And it takes a beat down of rain, summer, winter, evaporation, sun, and it's still there, all intact. So we love to come here. We actually come here sometimes and say we want to do some maintenance, but the reality is we want to be close to maybe some of the celebrities. But anyways, a lot of them have used this backdrop in their pictures, and it's very exciting to see our stuff out there. But exciting place. Let's see who else we see around here. Let's go.